How to freeze location on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the privacy and security option you see there. Further, tap on the location services option and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for location services. In the confirmation that appears, tap on turn off option again. This will stop location for all your apps which uses location. The next option could be simply enable airplane mode. This will stop your internet plus GPS updates and will freeze your live location sharing temporarily. However, it might show your last known location until you reconnect. The next option could be open Find My application on your device and then tap on the Me option you see there and make sure to toggle off the toggle button for Share My Location. Next, open Settings again and then tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and then tap on the Find My option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Share My Location this time too, and make sure that you cannot officially freeze your live location on an iPhone, as Apple does not provide a feature to lock your location in one spot while you move, but you can control or stop location sharing safely. So this was about how you can freeze location on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.